What's up, you guys? It's Aidette. I'm back with Cindy. You guys know it's my roommate slash cousin, and we're in quarantine. So today we're getting ready with you guys just so we can be walking around the house all day because we can't leave the house. We answer some of you guys' questions, some of your juicy questions. Cindy's channel will be linked down below, and we also filmed another video on her channel, which is dating advice. Click that down below and you guys will really enjoy that. So if you guys want to see how we did this makeup, then just keep on watching. He looks like a crackhead right now. He does. She has bedhead. What? You scared me. I love doing that too because you always fucking do it to me. I thought you saw something. I always do that to her, but like I don't do it on purpose. I'm just dramatic and I just do that. So she does that on purpose. Like we'll run out of toilet paper. She'll be like, like out of breath. Wait, like at so least, like I could be dead asleep at 7 in the morning, and she'll be like, there's no more coffee creamer. See her face. I just do that whenever something happens. I'll get a notification, my mom will text me, I'll be like, oh, and then she'll look over at me and be like, and then I'll feel bad and I'll be like, oh my god, wait, no, it's not serious. She has this look on her face like, what? And then I tell her. It's because I have so much anxiety, so I'm just like, oh my god, what happened? I'm going for more of a 90s look. 90s? Yeah. I threw on this Nike jacket and I was like, today's the day. Oh, is that the one that you thrifted? Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh no, I didn't thrift it. It was like this expensive ass Melrose shop. So it's like $60. Vintage. Yeah. Vintage. We're in lockdown. Basically in this video we're getting ready to walk around our house the whole entire day. I already know there's gonna be comments saying it's not a lockdown, like da-da-da. What is it called? Safer at home. Yeah, safer at home, but like basically like more calm way of putting it, I guess. Yeah. You can only leave the house for necessities. Till when? The 19th of April. Wait, what? Yeah, I told you a month. Oh shoot. Oh, I thought that was like a guess. Well, the thing that sucks for me though is that I've been staying at home for like several weeks already. I feel like the only time that I actually like gone out was like, yeah, like 3 weeks ago with my friend, and we were just like walking around Melrose all weekend. I miss it a lot because for me, like hanging out with friends and like having like some nice sunshine, it really like fulfills me. I think it's better now though that I'm home, because before I would go to work basically every day. Yeah. And she was home all day long by herself. Yeah, but now we have a whole month together. And oh my god, so now I'm forced to stay home from work. So. She's gonna start doing her gaming career. I've always wanted to stream and do Twitch. I love video games. I love Fortnite and all that stuff. I didn't really know like what it was all about, but basically until recently, now that I'm not working, I have to find another way to make my income. So I was thinking of doing that. So I went to go buy all the equipment and all that, and I guess it's just because I love playing video games anyways, and I haven't gotten into it since I moved to LA. Wait, is that why you went to Target so early today? Like yeah, to get like the equipment that I need. What is that? I thought you needed to get like a whole console and everything. I did. I was asking like what's the best way to do it. So they said just do it with the PlayStation and then just get a camera and you can just hook it up. And the harder way is to do it like with a PC, and that one can cost starting at like $1,000. Wait, so you spent $1,000? No, I didn't. I spent like half of that because I went to get a PlayStation. I think it's a good idea that you did start off with that, because there's so many YouTubers that I've seen that like literally use their iPhone. Me too. Antonio Garza, like there's so many people that just do it with not even like thousands of dollars of equipment, and they're just themselves and they blow up. As long as you have good lighting. Yeah, and a good personality. So I was supposed to have someone come in to mount my TV because I have a big TV in my room. It's like huge, but I want it to be mounted. And so there's this guy that came into my job and was fixing a window. I asked him like, oh, do you know how to mount TVs? Like, can you do it for me? And he was like, yeah, like I'll do it for free. Wait, he was gonna do it for free? Yes. So I was like, how much? And he was like, no, I'll just do it as a favor. He was super nice. He came in the other day and I had totally forgot about it. And so I told him, I was like, hey, like, can you still like, you know, put my TV up, and he was like, oh, well, actually that was my brother, but I can do it. But so basically he has a twin brother, and his twin brother came in. It was weird, but anyways. So then I texted him, and he was like, can you actually add me on WhatsApp? And I was like, okay, whatever. So I added him, I put my profile picture and everything. And it's like this like Mexican dude, you know, doesn't speak English, so I was like talking to him in Spanish. He was on WhatsApp and saying, tu fotografía, perfil, bien preciosa, bien bella. And just kept saying stuff like this and like texting me at like 2 in the morning. And so I just felt so uncomfortable. And then today, because he was supposed to come today, and I was saying like, what time can you come? And he was just saying like, why'd you take off your profile picture, Bea? Just making me feel uncomfortable. So it's like, I don't want to have some guy come to my place. It's gonna make us feel uncomfortable. I don't know what he's gonna do, like what his intentions are. Like why is he talking to me like that? Like,
yeah, then he's gonna know like where you live and everything.
Exactly. Like I was just thinking like, what if he's a crazy guy and just starts showing up at our place, you know? So,
yeah, and I also feel like one of the red flags was probably like when he said, oh, well, that was my brother, but I can do it. We still need to talk to you guys about like our whole situation that we had in Mexico, a really scary situation.
Oh, we haven't talked about that?
Yeah.
That situation actually is like, we're so grateful for it, because now we're just like so paranoid about everything. Like,
okay, I already got some really funny ones. Okay. One of them was from Noemi, so you already know it's gonna be weird. My OGs will know who Noemi is. She's our cousin, and she is such a bad little girl, but she is so funny. And our whole family, like funny, just runs through our blood and veins.
oh my god, hilarious. Noemi is so funny.
It's funny though, because all of our cousins get along, like every single cousin. And there's so many families that have cousins that are like, oh, I hate you. Noemi said, would you rather suck Squidward's tentacles or lick each and every... Please read her question.
Would you rather suck Squidward's tentacles or lick each and every hole on SpongeBob?
I think suck Squidward's tentacles.
I think I would lick each and... No, wait, what if he has a hole down there?
Oh my god.
No, I'm not licking that.
Well, yeah, because Squidward seems like he's a very clean guy.
Right, or his hole where he needs to relieve himself. I can't think about that. Suck on Squidward's tentacles for sure.
We got our brows done by Lisa.
Oh my gosh.
See, she just did it again. She is so ducky and amazing. I posted a selfie recently with my brows. We both got them laminated and geometrically shaped, and they're so fire. So basically they just stand up. I asked for my brows to be more like my inspo was Billy, because you guys know how her brows are like up and feathery. Did you give her an inspo pic of what you wanted?
No.
You just told her to go ahead?
I just told her to do whatever, and she did her thing, and they look bomb.
Slayed by Katana. Even though I'm doing a 90s-ish look at her smirking, looking at the questions. I'm still gonna be doing like my intense bronzer.
When is the last time you ate your boogers?
Oh my god. Cindy's like, just right now.
Before we film this. Would you rather have $1 million right now or flip a coin for 10 million?
Flip a coin. I'll take my chances. I most of the time get heads for some reason. Ooh. Cindy has really bad luck, y'all. Like, like not even like being mean. Like she really has such bad luck.
If something's going wrong in my life, just everything comes toppling down. So yeah, I have the worst luck. So I will take the 1 million. I'll be fine with that.
And you've waxed the vag before, right?
No.
What? I thought you guys learned.
At our school it's optional, but I knew I wasn't gonna be waxing vaginas for my career, so I chose not to learn. But yeah, what do we have planned for this quarantine? The next month.
Just keeping busy. Filming all the time.
Yes.
I'm gonna try to film
Give her video ideas.
I've been wanting to post on my vlog channel every day, so if you guys aren't subscribed to my vlog channel, she's gonna have to watch out because we're both really good at pranks. I have to give it to Cindy. She's a really good actress. Like, I don't believe anything she says.
So gullible. I love the most gullible person ever.
I mean, it depends with who. Like, I have to trust you to be gullible. Like, squish them together.
Ew.
What? Don't tell me that that guy messaged you?
Ew.
What?
He said, me dejó con las ganas de ir a visitarla.
Ew!
The guy who was supposed to help me with my TV.
So
oh my god,
scary.
good thing I said no. Did you vlog Palm Springs?
Yeah, I did, but I never posted it.
Did you edit it?
No, but I never even did an outro, so I have so much vlog content that I haven't posted. And
Guys.
but like it's super old, so I don't think that they'd want to see it.
Yeah, they will.
What's your biggest fetish?
Shoot.
You're hunching me, huh?
Oh my god, I always do that.
I think one of my biggest fetishes has to be having fresh hair and nails.
Ooh. Oh, you know my biggest fetish. My biggest fetish is having a really good meal and then just like
oh my god,
watching TV, watch The Act.
Oh my god, The Act. That show was so creepy. We kept making jokes about it like for a whole week. So my friend Allie, she tweeted, I feel like Gypsy Rose in this quarantine.
No, she did not. That is so funny. Oh my god.
I don't know if I want to do eyeshadow or not.
Really? Why wouldn't you? Would you ever date Joe?
What the fuck?
Or not date, but like maybe kiss.
Ew, no. Then he would go psycho and be
You
like,
don't think he was cute?
okay, he was like in a way only. If I was to like give Joe a kiss, he'd be like, there's so many people in this room right now that you could have kissed, but you kissed me.
Whoa, that was a really good impression. Why is it that when we do like concealer or like mascara, like our eyes go like this? Like
Ew, why does it sound like that? Wait, can you go up close to the mic and I love watching ASMRs or people eating.
Oh
my god, people eating like super cheesy stuff. I'll be on a diet and I have to watch people eating McDonald's dipped in cheese and ranch. I feel like in the 90s they did eyeliner, but I just did eyeliner.
Guys, what's a good birthday idea for quarantine? Because your birthday's coming up and we don't know what we're gonna do.
Well, everybody that's been having a birthday, it's been seeming very depressing.
I'm very specific about the products I use. I hate to try.
You know what? Next video, I'm gonna force her to use all of my makeup, and I used her makeup.
Oh shoot!
Oh, you remember when you used to make fun of me for doing TikTok? You butt crack.
Oh my god, I always used to make fun of her. I mean, at least you weren't on it when it was Musically.
I was.
You were?
Yeah.
Videos like the.
Yeah. Period love. I don't think that's a 90s thing though. I've just been really craving a McDonald's frap, a chocolate chip frap.
Oh my god, I don't even have those anymore. I'm so sad.
Oh, I hate when my eyeliner is like not even, it bugs the duck out of me.
I feel like I haven't done eyeliner in so long.
What? I just did it.
When did you do it?
Remember in my selfie with the brows? Does it look like even enough?
That looks so good.
Does it look even enough
I love
though?
how you do eyeliner. It's so nice. It looks so good.
Yay.
How do you not have it smeared? When I do eyeliner, it's always smeared.
I feel like I may. Well, I feel like you're a perfectionist too.
No.
You're not? Well, then
A little bit, yeah.
Then that's why. I get infuriated if something isn't perfect. Like I get so pissed off. And it'll ruin my whole day.
You can like squeeze it out basically and extract out the sebum, but
The what?
I don't.
Sebum?
Sebum is another word for oil.
Ew.
Oh my god, I know what word you're thinking of and that's not what it is. That's your first
What?
thought. Look at her mind.
What was I even thinking? I wasn't thinking anything, you nasty ass.
No, you're a nasty ass.
What? Also, if you guys are not in LA or the areas that have In-N-Out, it's not worth the hype, trust me.
What?
Literally, I don't see why people love In-N-Out so much. Like, it tastes like cardboard. I mean, like, it's good, like, when you're craving it. But, like, I will never just casually go get In-N-Out. Like,
Do y'all hear this woman?
I'm a Chick-fil-A girl. I said what I said. Don't at
Cola
me.
tastes like cardboard. Oh, those are
And then
so
lashes.
nice. The lashes, where are they from?
I don't know. It's an empty label. I'm so sad.
Oh my god, I keep hunching. I'm literally gonna be a hunchback.
You should just put on a waist trainer so you can always be up. What time is it?
I have no idea. The other night I like fell asleep in her room. It was so funny. And she was like,
yeah, she was taking up the whole bed.
She was torturing me. We're over here playing Club Penguin, you know. I freaking got banned because I said the F word. That's still on Club Penguin, chuckling in the corner, playing with her brother. Now I was over here trying to figure out how I can make a new account, and it was just too much. So I ended up falling asleep, and all I hear is someone like just in my face, like waking me up, like just yelling in this monstrous voice.
I'm dead. I'm gonna put it right here.
Hey, get your ass up.
I swear I can never sleep in peace with this woman. Never.
I've been eating only lettuce and like chicken, and Cindy wants to make all of my favorite dishes that have several calories in it. She's like, let's make cheesy enchiladas today. Like, let's make some nice greasy taquitos. I'll help you, but I'll just watch you eat it. My waist has been getting snatched. I'm trying to get my summer body, even though we're gonna be in quarantine still by then. This lip combo makes me moist.
Ew, no, she did not.
Did it make you like Gypsy Rose uncomfortable? What was that one thing she would tell her boyfriend? I don't know, she'd just say like, do you like the way that I braid my hair, daddy?
That's literally how she talks. What was his name? Like Franco or something like that?
Franco? I think it was like, oh, it was Hector. His alter ego was Hector.
Dracula or something.
No, his alter ego was like a vampire, and it was
Oh,
Hector.
yeah.
And this is on period love.
Oh my god, I can't believe we were saying empirical. And people were like, you guys are saying period blood. We kept saying, y eso es en periodo. And then people were like,
it's punto. I think we're done here.
done or whatever.
Can you guys please help me convince Cindy to not only use Vaseline and please use a lip gloss? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys want us to do more videos, let us know in the comments down below what you guys want to see from me and Cindy, because we're gonna be in a quarantine till like a whole nother month or 6. Vlog channel link down below, keeping up with Aidette, and Cindy's channel will also be linked down below, so go check that out.
Yes,
and
we're filming a video after this for mine.
Yes sir, some nice juicy dating advice, so that will be linked down below. Would you rather have breath that smells like fart or a laugh that sounds like fart? Ew. I think a laugh that sounds like fart.
So when you're laughing, it's like
so that'd be so
embarrassing.
like we laugh all the time. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching once again, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Wow, this look is so scrumptious.